Back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, drone news, and we've been looking at the tracking using the Air 3. We've tracked the person, me running around, walking around, but now it's time to track a vehicle. In the next few clips, we're going to see how well the Air 3 does active track on a moving vehicle, what settings you can use, and how well it does for you. If you've been using the Air 3, have you tracked a boat, a car? I know you probably tracked yourself, but let's look at the video here. So in this frame here, as normal, you would draw a box around your subject, but your subject's a vehicle. If you look at the bottom, you have a car in the subject field, and it tracks your vehicle. Notice you can only do this in manual. Even though it's not showing the 360 ring, you can only do the farthest limit out. So that kind of limits you, but it's still good because it's a moving vehicle. So it kind of keeps your subject in focus and keeps you going. Okay, so some tips with the Air 3. You still get the active track 360 bar, but you can't go in close when tracking a vehicle. You can only go the furthest route, but you can still plot your points. Another tip, it won't do auto. It won't auto track. Like if you're tracking a person, it'll do auto where it chooses where it gets a shot from, but when you're doing a vehicle, it won't do that. So here we're going to look at some actual footage from the Air 3 using the main camera shot in 4K 30. So you can see what video looks like with active track 360 using the Air 3 on a moving vehicle. And this it's in manual mode because you can't use auto, but I'm just switching from left to right, front to back. And you can see the Air 3 holds a steady frame. It keeps the subject in focus. It keeps the vehicle looking sharp. I'm a little bit distance out, but not too far. But just to give you a glimpse of what it looks like. You can get some great shots as long as you're safe and responsible and follow the guidelines. You're good. That's all we have for Eye in the Sky Drones. Be safe and have fun flying.